Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So starting with the stationery, introducing stationery, it's a Staedtler pencil, Dome's eraser and a Posca pen, black pen. And the colors that I'll be using today, these are the Faber-Castell pencil colors. The links for all the products are available in the description. You can just check them there and order for yourself. So today I'll be making a boy in the pool. So starting with the pencil drawing, first we'll draw a slanting line, one more slanting line in the other direction. Now we are just going to repeat these lines. We are just doubling these lines and one more with more gap in between. Here I am making a standing line to make sure that all the lines are diverting from the same point. Now I am making a circle for the face of the boy. So starting with the basic structure of the drawing. Now I am making a slanting line for a shoulder, one more slanting line for the arm, and around the boy I am making the water tube. So it's a slanting line, standing and a curve, and one more curve at the top to show the width of the tube. And I am making one more circle here for the ball, as I am showing the boy holding a ball in his hand. So here I am adding one more slanting line, again another one in the opposite direction. Now I'll be starting the final drawing with the sketch pen. So starting with the boy, I am starting with the swimming goggles. So that's one oval and one more oval inside. Two slanting lines, again one oval and one more oval inside, and two more slanting lines. So the swimming goggles, the boy is holding them on his head, making a curve for the ear. Now making again a curved line for the hair. Just look at the lines carefully, it's very easy to do. Now making the curve of the face, it's just on the circle that we have drawn before. Now the eyebrows, two curves for the eyebrows, two circles for the eyes, a curve for the nose and the mouth. Now I am making the hair. So they're just the curved and the slanting lines. Just look at the lines carefully. We just have to draw the hair around the circle that we have drawn to get the perfect curve of the head, extending the goggles lines towards the other side. Now making the neck, one line there, and I am adding the curve for the neck of the costume. A slanting line on the shoulder, again one more slanting line, a curve to show the costume, one more slanting line, another one for the arms, and a curve for the thumb and the fingers. Just look at the lines carefully. I am making the ball, outlining the lines for the ball. One more smaller circle inside, and around this I'll be making the curved lines. Make sure to leave a gap between all the curved lines to get the exact pattern. Now showing the other shoulder, another arm, one more curve there. Just be careful with the lines, follow the lines carefully. One slanting line and a curve. Now I'll start with outlining the tube. So I am just outlining on the pencil lines, joining it with the ball. Now again I am drawing the curves on top of it to show the pattern of the tube. If you want to draw some other pattern, you can do that. Now I am making the water waves around it. Just adding few more lines to show the water. I hope you're finding this drawing very easy. Just follow the lines. Now I am outlining the pencil lines that I have drawn to show the outer side of the pool. Now adding a slanting line here. The slanting line in the opposite direction. And the lower part will be joining with the standing lines. This adds to the depth of the pool. Now we'll be making some bushes. We are just adding more environment to our composition. These are just the curved lines. And we'll be adding few trees there. So 2 standing lines for the trees and a V in the center. And just the curves around it. So it's the same way. 1 standing line, V, and another standing line and the curves around it. Similarly, we'll do the other 2 trees also. If you like the video, then do let me know in the comment sections. Share your views about the video. And like and subscribe to my channel for the daily drawing tutorials. And also please turn on the bell icon to get the regular notifications. Now we are just erasing the pencil lines, as those lines were only for our help. So here we are with our final drawing. We'll start with the coloring now. These are the Faber-Castell colors. So here I am doing the darker blue. I am just coloring it in one direction and not leaving any spaces in between to get the smooth texture of the painting. Now I am doing the orange in a very lighter tone to give the skin color effect. Again, I am following one direction, that is the slanting line for my coloring. Now doing the same in the arms, the body and the hand. These are the basic colors that we use. And for rest of the composition, you can decide any colors as per your choice and do them. So the links for all the products I have used in my video is there in the video description. You can check them there and order for yourself. I hope this video will help you a lot whenever you want to make such drawing. Do let me know in the comment section about this video, and also you can let me know what you want me to draw for the next tutorial. If you want to learn anything specific, you can just drop me a comment on the comment section. Do like and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.